Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to give a collaborator full access on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, click on Settings from your Shopify dashboard. In the Settings menu, click on Users and Permissions, or Users and Security depending on your version. Here, you'll find your collaborator request code. Copy this code. Share this collaborator code with the person you want to grant access to. They'll need to log in to their Shopify Partners account. On the Shopify Partner dashboard, go to the Stores section in the left side menu and submit a request to access your store. They'll paste your store URL and the collaborator code you shared with them. Once they've sent the request, go back to your Users and Permissions page. You'll see their access request listed there. Simply review and approve it. After you approve their request, they'll now have full collaborator access to your Shopify store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.